If you're looking for the best database management system, or BCS 501 AKTU Notes PDF, this complete study folder is exactly what you need. It includes premium handwritten notes, GW notes, and multi-atom notes, covering all units of the latest AKTU syllabus in a simple and exam-oriented format. You'll learn important topics such as ER models, relational models, SQL, relational algebra, normalization, functional dependencies, transaction management, concurrency control, database recovery, indexing, query processing, and database security. Whether you're preparing for semester exams, internal assessments, or back paper exams, this complete study package will help you revise faster, understand concepts more clearly, and score better marks. If you find this resource helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. You can download the complete BCS 501 Database Management System Notes folder, including handwritten notes, GW notes, and multi-atom notes, from the link provided in the description below.